So this is lesson 9, video 4, writing equations of perpendicular lines. And this is in direct correspondence or connection with the last video on writing equations of parallel lines. So it says write an equation in slope-intercept form that goes through the point 3, 2 and is perpendicular to y is equal to 3x minus 1. Again, the first thing is to point out that you need slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. And then given the fact that we're going to be using a point and a slope, you also want to make sure that you have point slope form written down as well for reference, where again x1 is 3 and y1 is 2 in this case. The next thing to understand is what perpendicular slopes are, or equations are. That means that their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So again, the only thing that I want to take from my equation is this 3. We don't need to worry about the negative 1. It has no effect on my final solution. So we have a slope of 3, but that's not the slope we're going to use. We want the slope that's perpendicular to this one, which means that we need to write the reciprocal of it and then negate it. So the slope that we are looking for would be negative 1/3. And again, the point is 3, 2. So that would give us y minus 2 is equal to 1/3 times x minus 3. This is again not the correct formula. We want y is equal to mx plus b. So we're going to distribute the 1/3 and get y minus 2 is equal to 1/3 x minus 1. Add 2 to both sides, and you're going to get y is equal to 1/3 x plus 1. Okay, and that would be the final answer. And you know, made a mistake. Go back up a second here. That is not correct. Actually, sorry, this is a negative 1/3, so it's negative positive, which means it's actually plus 3 with a negative 1/3. Sorry about that. Completely missed my negative. I lost it in the process there. So the correct answer is y is equal to a negative 1/3 x plus 3. Again, when distributing and when you're writing out things, always make sure to check your work. As I have just verified, sometimes things disappear and that leads to wrong answers. So again, always check to see if things are done correctly and keep track of things like negatives on fractions. So the final solution has a slope of negative 1/3, while the original has a slope of positive 3, and those are opposite reciprocals, so that we do know these two equations of y is equal to 3x minus 1 and y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3 are opposite reciprocals. It's a great way to check to verify that you did things correctly. So for your U-try, you need to write an equation in slope-intercept form that goes through the point negative 5, 3 and is perpendicular to the equation y is equal to 5x. This is the end of this section's videos. There will be more videos posted, but not until tomorrow. And that's the end of the video.